Good morning, everybody. This is Todd with the Forex Nitty Gritty Insiders Daily Video. Hope you're having a great day today. Yesterday, we spent a few minutes talking about the daily charts and how we need to look at those to help us identify, the overall momentum or direction that things are trying to move in. And understanding that, knowing that the price on the longer term is moving higher or lower or anything like that can help us determine how we should trade on the shorter term time frames. And so as we look at the shorter term here, this is a 15-minute chart, we're able to get a sense of how we should be trading. Now, right now the 15-minute chart is moving up. And I wanted just to discuss a few minutes about looking at getting into a trade at the best possible time. And as you know, the market will cycle up and down. And it'll do that for, an extended time. And the more this moves deliberately, the better off that we like to see things. But there's two things that will typically occur. One is that the price will go up, followed by the price going down. Now, this is the key to pretty much any price pattern that we're looking at, whether it's a double top, double bottom, triangle, flag, wedge, whatever it might be. But what happens is that if the trend is moving up, this up move is big. I'll put bigger. And this downtrend is, or down move is smaller. And the reverse would be true for a downtrend, where the down move would be bigger and the up move would be smaller. Well, the point that I want to make here is that if we see something move up, we naturally can anticipate seeing it move down. What we don't know is two things. We don't know the time that it's going to move down, and we don't know the degree that it's going to be moving down. So we don't know when it's going to happen. We don't know how big that move is going to be. But we do know at some point after a move to the upside, the price will settle down and move to the downside. Now, as we look at these charts on the 15-minute time period today, you can see that we're kind of going through on the euro dollar here, this upswing, and now we're kind of going through this phase here where we don't know how far it's going to pull back. We just know that after a big move up, it'll settle. And we can kind of see that pattern as we move through here. In fact, there's a nice triangle type of a pattern here that finally broke out to the upside. But right now, we're kind of in this up phase, not knowing if we're going to move down sharply or if we're just going to move sideways. So we don't know that at this point. But we need to be aware of the fact that it is, or it has moved up. The Aussie dollar, you can see this pattern pretty clear here, where we're going to move up, big up, down, up, down, up. And we're just kind of going through a down phase here. So potentially, if this level of support holds, we could see, another little bounce up and a move higher. Again, this is a 15-minute chart. U.S. Swiss franc, you can see we had a nice down move. We'd be looking for it to move up from there. The pound dollar, big move up, pulling back a little bit, kind of at the top of the move. U.S. Japanese yen kind of flat right now. And the U.S. CAD, nice strong move up, How much is it going to pull back? Well, we don't know. But at those top ranges. So as we look at the patterns and as we take that into consideration with the simple trading method, we know that we want to see the simple trading method have that pullback. So as things move up, we want to see that pullback, because at that point, as it pulls back to support, we want to look for the bounce up above the HH3. So anyway, take a look at that. Make sure you recognize where the price has moved and where it's sitting, whether it's near support, resistance, and then look for the opportunities to trade the simple trading method. If you have questions about this, feel free to let me know. If not, have a great day, and we'll be back tomorrow to see how things continue.